This is gonna be a talk through tutorial of Zoe's full wash day routine and box braid tutorial. I've done this style a few times on her and you guys wanted to see it, so I'm here to show you guys how I do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a deep conditioner in her hair because I like to do that weekly. I'll be using Shea Moisture Superfruit 10-in-1 Renewal System hair mask, some water, and some extra virgin olive oil.
But don't put olive oil.
Olive oil?
Yeah.
I'm gonna separate her hair in half. I'm gonna spritz her hair. Just a little bit, like enough to get it a little damp.
Why don't you keep putting that in my hair this time?
It's good for your curls. It keeps them nice and moisturized and healthy. Now I'm gonna seal that in with some olive oil. I like to focus a lot on her ends to keep them healthy, prevent them from splitting. It is the oldest part of the hair, so the ends always need some TLC. I like to work in sections, so the top I split it in two and then I do the same thing. Spritz with water a little bit.
Stop it.
Add the mask. Zoe. And then seal it with olive oil, especially focusing on her ends. She will stay with this in her hair for about maybe half an hour, and then we'll wash it out. So she actually spent a lot longer than half an hour with the treatment in her hair. She actually spent maybe like a few hours because we were just playing and time went by. So and I'm actually washing her hair in the sink today. I usually wash it in the tub while she takes a shower, but she already took a shower, so I'm not gonna put her back in the tub. I'm just gonna do it on the sink. This is her hair after the treatment has been sitting in it for a couple of hours. Hi.
Hi, I can see my hair.
You see your hair?
Yeah.
And I forgot to say, I washed her hair with shampoo last week, so I'm going to be co-washing this week because I don't shampoo her hair every single week, so yeah. So I'm using Herbal Essence Hello Hydration to co-wash her hair. I use it just like if it was a shampoo. So I put it all over her scalp and then I massage it. Washing your hair with conditioner at first can feel a little weird because conditioner does not suds up the same as shampoo, but it is definitely still cleansing the hair. And this is one of my favorite conditioners to co-wash with. It's super cheap, so I could use a lot of it, and it really works on her hair. Like, it makes it really soft and it's easy to detangle, so I love this one.
Hi. I'm here. Hi.
As her conditioner, this is what I'm gonna actually use to detangle her hair. I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine conditioner.
Look, you got so much hair.
You do have so much hair.
Yeah.
So I like to wet her hair a little bit to detangle it. As her leave-in, I'm using the Cantu Leave-In Repair Cream. So I use a rat tail comb to part her hair. I already did some on the bottom row, so that's about the size that I'll be making them. I make my square. I use one of these clips to hold the rest of the hair. To style her hair, I'm using Cantu Shea Butter natural hair moisturizing twist and lock gel. It's like a cream, but it has a lot of hold and it's super moisturizing. Then I use a Denman brush to really smooth out her hair. Okay, so when I start braiding, I take 3 sections and I like to under braid, so like this, because then when she lays down, it doesn't stick up the next morning. And I pretty much just braid all the way down. When I get to the end, I like twirl her ends. I use this beater that you can get for like $1 at a beauty supply store. I put it through this section of the beater, and then I push the beads up, and it's in her hair. Then I take some hair and twist it up like this, and then I take a rubber band that looks like this, and I secure her ends. That's it. I wanted to show you guys, sometimes her hair is not it's not perfectly even, so some strands won't reach as far as other strands. So what I do is I take the 2 skinniest, so like I'll take this one and put them together like that, and then I twirl them together. A 2 strand twist like this instead. It's a braid up to the point where the other one was too short, and then I turn it into a twist.
They were singing Itsy Bitsy Bye.
They were. Zoe, I'm gonna put a red bead for you in the front.
My favorite color.
You're done. Say bye.
Bye.